This is another video of me, Brian, and my sleepy friend, David.
Oh.
Get up, we're doing a video.
Oh, I don't know.
Sheesh. Well, okay, so, we're stupid. What?
I'm not.
I'm stupid.
Yes. We all know that.
Don't be laughing. Okay, so, hey, please send us a comment. Oh, what?
Is somebody talking? Because I don't hear it.
But send us a comment of
Or
what
regret.
No,
You don't talk.
I talk. No.
Everybody, please.
Well, okay.
It's my peaceful time.
Send us a comment if you want.
Everybody has to stop.
Send us a comment if you.
Are you trying to say something?
No, I'm not. Just go to bed.
No.
Jeez. Send us a. No, don't.
I'm not doing it. I'm checking.
Okay, send us a comment of if. Send us a comment of a video you want us to do, and we'll do it.
No, you won't.
Yes, we will do it. No, I will do it, but you won't have to. Get out of here. Okay. Wait.
Yes, no.
Wait, no, not yet. I'm still talking. So, does anyone like chili cheese fries?
Brian.
What?
You ruined the whole video.
Let's talk about your next video.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
yeah.
wanna ask the people, the
Yes,
people of
they're
America.
chili cheese
The
fries
people of
from-
America.
Yes. Our next video is going to be about chili cheese fries.
What do you don't? How
We're
do you-
asking them. You don't know what. You can't read people's mind.
What? If I
Shut up.
Shut up! You guys are being
If I
loud.
asked them if they like chili cheese fries, they might have
You
said.
didn't ask them. You just said, "Do you like chili cheese?" No.
Wait, that is asking them.
Yeah, but he
You
said
know.
he said our next video is gonna be.
And you called me stupid.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Oh.
Because you said our next video is gonna be about chili cheese fries.
No.
That's not asking.
No, I said in.
That's not asking.